Hello friends, welcome to our channel Dino World TV. Today there are many animals in our mud ground, including a very big horse that all the animals are watching, so we will clean all these animals out of the mud. Friends, and learn some fact about them. Let's start by taking out of the first animal from the mud, the hippopotamus. Let's clean it. Hippos are semi-aquatic mammals known for their large size, powerful jaw, and territorial behavior. The next animal you have the camel. Let's clean it. Camels have a unique features such a hump for storing fat, allowing them to survive long period without water in arid desert environment. Next animal you have rhinoceros. Rhinoceros have thick skin that acts as armor, protecting them from thorny bushes and potential predators in their habits. Next animal you have polar bear. Let's watch it. Polar bears are excellent swimmers with their streamlined bodies and powerful paws, allowing them to cover long distance in search of food across icy water. Now you have the next farm animal, the rooster. Let's take it out of the mud and wash it. Roosters have a colorful plumage and distinctive crowing sound which to communicate with their flock, especially to announce the start of a new day. Next animal you have is the elephant. Let's take it out of the mud and wash it. Elephants are known for their intelligence and complex social structure, with a strong emotional bond within their herd and impressive memory that helps them navigate their environment. Next animal you have zebra. Out of the mud and wash it. Zebras are known for their black and white striped coats, which serve as form of camouflage to confuse predators and help them blend into tall grass in their habits. Next animal you have giraffe. Let's watch it. Giraffes have long neck that help them reach tall trees for food and use their tongues, which can be up to 18 inches long, to grab leaves and twigs with ease. Now you have the panda. Taking it out of the mud and clean it. Panda have a unique thumb-like structure called a passedo thumb, which helps them grab bamboo while eating, and they consume up to 14 pounds of bamboo daily to meet their dietary needs. Now you have the sheep. Let's clean by taking out of the mud. Sheep have excellent memory and can recognize familiar faces, making them highly social animals within their herd and allowing them to navigate their environment with ease. Now you have the tiger. Let's clean it by taking out of the mud. Tigers have a unique species that act as camouflage in their forest habit, allowing them to ambush prey efficiently and blend in with their surroundings. Next animal you have cheetah. Let's clean it by taking out of the mud. Cheetah are fastest animal on land, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds, making them exceptional a sprinter when hunting. Next animal you have bear. Let's watch it. Bears are excellent climber and swimmers, with some special capable of running up to 30 miles per hour, making them versatile and adaptable predators. Next animal you have tapis. By taking it out of the mud, tapis use their flexible and elongate snout to throw from food underwater and on land, making them efficiently swimmer and herbivore in their nature habits. And the next animal you have the very big horse. By taking out of the mud, horses have unique communication method using facial expression, body language and vocalization to interact with human and others, or showcasing their intelligence and social nature. Next animal you have dog. Let's clean it by taking out of the mud. Dogs have keen sense of smell with up to 3 million scent receptors in their nose, allowing them to detect various scents and work as search and rescue. Now, next animal you have lion. Let's clean it by taking out of the mud. Lions are a skilled hunter and apex predator in their ecosystem, with males sporting majestic manes to display dominance and females cooperating in hunting and raising their young in prides. Next animal you have bison. Let's clean it by taking out of the mud. Bison, also known as American buffalo, once roadmapped the vast grassland of North America, in large herd, playing a significant role in shaping the ecosystem and providing sustenance for indigenous peoples. Finally, let's clean the deer by taking out of the mud. Deer are graceful herbivores known for their antlers, which are shed and regrow annually, and they use their keen sense of smell and hearing to detect predators and communicate with other deer. Thanks friend for watching the video. See you the next video. Bye bye.